Namaste, everyone. A very warm welcome to Multidimensional Soul YouTube channel. This is Akanksshaa, and on this channel, we talk about holistic education, well being, ascension, multidimensional nature of soul, multiverse, manifestation, channeling, mediumship, angels and guides, twin flames, light language, astral travel, Akashic record, past life regression, ND, so many different topics. So we covered a lot of topics on this channel, and some of you may be familiar with our podcast. We have had guests from across the world on this podcast. I also share some channeled messages on this channel. So we have different initiatives, and there are different playlists on this channel, so you can check out all of that. This particular initiative is created as a tribute to my son and spirit guide Arnav. My teenage son crossed over in 2020, and he has become my spirit guide, and he guides me from a very high realm. In this particular audio books, audio lectures kind of series, we take some books and lectures and articles and talks of ascended masters, and we share them in the audio format. I try to record them in my voice, as in read them and record them in my voice. It's always not possible, and some of them are AI generated. The intention is to spread the wisdom and knowledge which has been there since ancient times. So far, we have covered Yogananji and Nisargadatta Maharaj. They are from Hindu traditions but rooted deeply in spirituality and not so much in religion. And that's also the intention here, to spread this wisdom and knowledge from spirituality perspective, from the perspective of oneness, to spread love, light, peace, bliss, abundance, and prosperity. So that's the intention for all of you who are tuning in to this channel, whether it's a podcast, whether it's an audio book, or any other videos on this channel. If you're tuning in, the intention is that you receive all the love, light, wisdom, knowledge, peace, bliss, abundance, and prosperity. So, thank you so much for tuning in and absorbing all of this and spreading all of this. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Now we will move to the audio lecture or article or talk for today. Lots of love. Namaste.
Responses of Memory by Nisargadatta Maharaj. Questioner. Some say the universe was created. Others say that it always existed and is forever undergoing transformations. Some say it is subject to eternal laws. Others deny even causality. Some say the world is real. Others, that it has no being whatsoever. Maharaj. Which world are you inquiring about? Questioner. The world of my perceptions, of course. Maharaj. The world you can perceive is a very small world indeed. And it is entirely private. Take it to be a dream and be done with it. Questioner. How can I take it to be a dream? A dream does not last. Maharaj. How long will your own little world last? Questioner. After all, my little world is but a part of the total. Maharaj. Is not the idea of a total world a part of your personal world? The universe does not come to tell you that you are a part of it. It is you who have invented a totality to contain you as a part. In fact, all you know is your own private world, however well you have furnished it with your imaginations and expectations. Questioner. Surely, perception is not imagination. Maharaj. What else? Perception is recognition, is it not? Something entirely unfamiliar can be sensed but cannot be perceived. Perception involves memory. Questioner. Granted, but memory does not make it illusion. Maharaj. Perception, imagination, expectation, anticipation, illusion, all are based on memory. There are hardly any border lines between them. They just merge into each other. All are responses of memory. Questioner. Still, memory is there to prove the reality of my world. Maharaj. How much do you remember? Try to write down from memory what you were thinking, saying, and doing on the 30th of the last month. Questioner. Yes, there is a blank. Maharaj. It is not so bad. You do remember a lot. Unconscious memory makes the world in which you live so familiar. Questioner. Admitted that the world in which I live is subjective and partial. What about you? In what kind of world do you live? Maharaj. My world is just like yours. I see, I hear, I feel, I think, I speak and act in a world I perceive, just like you. But with you it is all, with me it is almost nothing. Knowing the world to be a part of myself, I pay it no more attention than you pay to the food you have eaten. While being prepared and eaten, the food is separate from you and your mind is on it. Once swallowed, you become totally unconscious of it. I have eaten up the world and I need not think of it anymore. Questioner. Don't you become completely irresponsible? Maharaj. How could I? How can I hurt something which is one with me? On the contrary, without thinking of the world, whatever I do will be of benefit to it. Just as the body sets itself right unconsciously, so am I ceaselessly active in setting the world right. Questioner. Nevertheless, are you aware of the immense suffering of the world? Maharaj. Of course I am, much more than you are. Questioner. Then what do you do? Maharaj. I look at it through the eyes of God and find that all is well. Questioner. How can you say that all is well? Look at the wars, the exploitation, the cruel strife between the citizen and the state. Maharaj. All these sufferings are man-made and it is within man's power to put an end to them. God helps by facing man with the results of his actions and demanding that the balance should be restored. Karma is the law that works for righteousness. It is the healing hand of God. End of chapter. This profound knowledge and wisdom is by Nisargadatta Maharaj. This chapter, Responses of Memory, is chapter 9 from the book, I Am That, by Nisargadatta Maharaj. Nisargadatta Maharaj was an Indian guru of non-dualism, belonging to the Inchajari Sampradaya, a lineage of teachers from the Navnath Sampradaya. His teachings are based on Advaita Vedanta. This is a school of Hindu philosophy that emphasizes the non-dualistic philosophy of the ultimate unity of reality. It teaches that the ultimate reality, Brahman, is the only true existence, and everything else, including the individual's self, Atman, is ultimately an illusion or a manifestation of Brahman. While rooted in Advaita Vedanta, Nisargadatta Maharaj often presented the teachings in a more direct and experiential way, emphasizing self-inquiry and direct realization rather than a systematic exposition of scriptures. His teachings often revolved around the idea of transcending the ego and realizing the true self, which is beyond the limitations of the mind and body.
This is a series of audiobooks and insightful lectures brought to you by Akanksshaa, dedicated to exploring timeless wisdom and spiritual teachings. Each recording is generated with love, honoring my journey and my connection with higher guidance, especially in tribute to my son Arnav, who now guides me from beyond. May these words awaken the divine love within you. bring you peace and inspiration on your own path, and may divine light within shine bright. May whatever merit arises from these readings be for the benefit of all sentient beings. Namaste.